How to make an Easter egg wreath. Wreaths are ideal decorative items for any season, provided they're made to reflect the holiday or seasonal occasion. For Easter, the traditional egg is a good choice for making a wreath from. This article shows you how to make one using real eggs and one using artificial eggs. Method 1. Real egg wreath. 1. Assemble the supplies needed. These are listed below under things you'll need. 2. Cut the wire into a length of 40 inches 101 centimeters. 3. Shape the wire into a circle or wreath shape and join where the ends meet by twisting gently into place. Tie a piece of thread or wire for the hanging part onto the wire somewhere. This will now serve as the top of the wreath. 4. Carefully thread the hollow eggs onto the wire. Push the wire through the holes that were created to remove the egg's contents. If using white and brown eggs, thread them in an alternating pattern, such as 2 white, 2 brown, or 1 white, 1 brown, or every 3, etc. 5. Add some fill-ins between each egg. In the small gap between each egg, tie strips of crepe or cellophane paper that you've cut into little strips. Glue into place. Large organza ribbon can be used instead of paper. It ties easily and probably won't need gluing. Choose Easter colors or a color that matches well with your choice of eggs. Method 2. Artificial egg wreath. 1. Assemble the supplies needed. These are listed below under things you'll need. 2. Wrap the wreath all the way around using the ribbon. Where the eggs don't cover up, this is what will be noticed. Pin into place. 3. Decide how to arrange the artificial eggs. Plan out the pattern for placing the eggs around the wreath before you start gluing them on. The specific arrangement will be dependent on a few things. Color scheme. You might like to arrange the eggs so that they're all certain colors, one color, a pattern of colors, etc. 4. Add the loop before gluing the eggs in place. Use the ribbon to make a loop for hanging. This now becomes the top of the wreath. 5. Following the pattern you've already devised, glue the artificial Easter eggs into place around the wreath. Add any embellishments at this stage too. If you have a sign that says Easter or has a bunny, chick, etc. on it, this could be glued into the center of the wreath, or added wherever it looks best. Just be careful to ensure good balance. 6. Allow to dry before hanging in place. It can go on the front door, over a mantelpiece, or anywhere in the house where it would add to the festive flavor. Tips. Easter grass, sparkly, cellophane-like straw, can be used to great effect when stuck onto an Easter egg wreath. If you're a knitter, stitcher, or crochet artist, knit, sew, or crochet eggs. Then, use the second method to stick your end results around the wreath for a really special crafty Easter look. Things. Real egg wreath. Annealed steel wire, 16 gauge. Scissors and wire snips. Thread or wire for hanging portion. 12 eggs, 6 brown, 6 white or all same color, depending on your preference, hollowed. Crepe or cellophane paper. Craft glue artificial egg wreath. Artificial Easter eggs, plastic, foam, etc., sizes of choice, these can be easily sourced from $pound stores. Wreath base, foam, cane, wire, etc., again, source from a $pound store. Ribbon of broad width, in a nice Easter shade. Pins. Craft glue. Scissors. Easter decorations, optional, e.g., bunny or chick stickers, glitter, feathers, etc.